Are you unsure of what household cleaning supplies you need to clean your home from room to room? Well, today I'm going to help you with that. Give you a list of cleaning supplies and accessories, plus give you a brief rundown on where they can be used, leaving you to clean your home easily. Multi-purpose cleaners. I'm a big fan of these types of cleaners as they are great for room-to-room cleaning and getting rid of that grease and grime while cutting down on the need for too many unnecessary products taking up space in my cupboard. My go-to for the kitchen are two products, the Sift Lemon and the Method Multi-Purpose. Both can be used in the kitchen and the bathroom for worktops, tiles, wood, glass and non-porous surfaces. Next up we have window and glass cleaners. They are easy to clean providing you have the right product to hand. A good glass and window cleaner will remove grime and marks without leaving smears or stickiness. You can make your own by mixing half a cup of rubbing oil, 1/3 a cup of white vinegar and 1/3 of a cup of water and a few drops of your favourite essential oils into a spray bottle. Antibacterial cleaners. Every home should have an antibacterial cleaner for those germ-filled areas like the bathroom. Nothing's going to do a good job as an antibacterial product, which are purpose-made to kill germs and bacteria. Therefore, always look for a product that states kills 99.9% bacteria and viruses, like the Dettol surface cleanser. Next up, we have furniture polish. And yes, I hear you chuckling at me. Furniture polish? Not only do furniture polish brings up wooden furniture extremely well, unlike any other product, it also protects your furniture from watermarks, leaving you with a nice shine to your wood furniture. Bleach. Another product no cleaning kit should be without, as it's extremely useful for some common cleaning tasks like the rim of your toilet and the kitchen and bathroom drains, as well as being used for removing and preventing limescale buildup. Bleach can also be used as a multi-surface cleaner once diluted with water. Rubbing alcohol. This is great for sticky substances such as label glue, grease and gum, which are extremely hard to remove. Just a tiny amount of this product will remove all manner of that stickiness. Now, to help you with these items, you're going to need cleaning cloths. A microfiber cloth can do it all, from cleaning, sanitizing and polishing. They tend to come in packs of 4, purchased from your supermarket or online from Amazon. With all the cleaning supplies, you're going to need some sponges and rubber gloves. And I recommend that you have 2 of each, a set for the kitchen and a set for the bathroom. A toothbrush is great for scrubbing sink taps and getting into those hard to reach areas. And if you want to use less elbow grease, then I recommend the scrubber, which comes with multiple heads.